Oh hey everyone, I hope you're having a nice day. This is my first video. I'm a little bit nervous, of course. So what I'm gonna be doing in this video is show you guys how I design my website as a non-designer RO. This video is split to two parts. The first one is designing the website and the second coding it. I'm gonna be using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and a little bit of animation, of course. I start searching a little bit about color combination and I end up using those colors. See, I downloaded some icons and edit them on Photoshop, removing some white background. I started by designing my website for the mobile first. I did simple and small navigation. So here we are. In the home fragment, I wrote a little introduction about me. I listed some example of a project that I can put on my website. So currently I don't have any project, so in the contact fragment I designed a little form and some account of mine, and the last one is info fragment. What I did on it is just simple explain who I am and some personal information about me. So as you can see, now I finished the mobile version. What I did is I just copy paste to the desktop version and start scaling and make it look good. So here is the final result for the mobile version. Now the desktop. You guys enjoy. Until the next video, I will convert it to a real website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like and stay tuned.